What's up? How you guys doing? 3 people. I'm blessed. Hey. Zappis, 13. Hello. What's good? How you doing? How you guys doing? Feeling good? Stars, Peacemaker. Yatoshi 12. Hey, I like that. It's a tattoo? Dang. 8 people. Wow. They're filtering in. Hey, what's up? What's up, Dub? How's it going? Welcome. This is Crypto Kickback. It's my live stream on Wednesdays. Because I do two. Guys. Crypto Kickback, 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, Wednesdays, Sunday, 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. You know what it is. How's it going? I'm drinking coffee. I got to get all juiced up. I'm wearing the Litecoin shirt, guys. Look at that. Litecoin. Litecoin's the right coin. I went to the first Litecoin Summit in 2018. Not a flex. I met Satoshi Light. Charlie Lee, not a flex. He's cool. He looks as smart as he looks. Right? I got your t-shirt in. Hey, Deshaun. That's what's up, man. You're a real homie. I appreciate that, man. Got my t-shirt. I like it. If you guys don't know, I opened a merch shop and I actually added a bunch more designs. If you haven't seen my tweet or my I did this written thing on YouTube community tab or some shit. Check it out. My bad, man. My bad. Let me just share this shit real quick. But I appreciate you supporting, man. Always appreciate it. Give me 1 second. All right. This is my store. I guess it's the link's on my Twitter page, right? But I'm not going to play the pre-record. So this is the one I had up currently, the design, the Dubdigital long sleeve and t-shirt and stuff. Then I got the diamond hands in here, sweater, t-shirt, different colors and shit. Then I got the wolf pack. Check it out. I got a baby wolf pack. It also comes in blue too, in case you got a little baby homie. And then where's the other one? Man, come on. Moon Squad. This is the one's tight. Check this shit out. Moon Squad. Hey. You know what it is, guys. But I appreciate you, Deshaun. Thank you very much supporting it. Hopefully it's a good quality. Hopefully you feel design. Just want to put something up, for the homies. I gotta order my own merch. Dang. What's up with that? They should give me free samples, man. But that's how it is. That's how it is. What's up, guys? 14 people. What's good? Wolfpack Wednesday. You know what it is, Ziki? Welcome. I'm here. I like that. Can't miss. Are you my number one fan? Wow. All right, guys. Well, you know how it is. Wednesdays and shit in the middle of the week. Some hump day. It sucks sometimes. Unless you're humping. Let's get a warm-up in. Neck rolls. Come on. Zeke, I see you over there not rolling your neck. Come on, man. Switch. You don't want to get too bullish and pull a neck. You guys good? 12 people? They don't like the neck rolls. Hey, screw them. What's good, guys? How you been? Great content. Thank you very much. I appreciate you, man. Thank you. I appreciate that. I'm kind of lagging on timestamping the live streams. My bad, guys. It's been a long crypto cycle, to be quite honest with you. God damn. A lot of videos, man. I see some people, they only putting up under 100 videos in a year. I put up 360. I'm over here crypto news. I'm sweating and shit. Man, I probably lost weight doing this shit. 14 people, what's good? I got to order some merch and support. You don't gotta, but it'd be appreciated. Never ask for your money. It doesn't mean I don't appreciate it. Helps support the channel, cover costs. There are costs involved, but it's a labor of love. H-bar, we're going to the moon. $3 to $8 this bull run. You think so? Wow. Yeah, you know, like, hey, everyone's like, hey, what's your price prediction for H bar? It's like, guys, I don't even have a cycle to extrapolate. You know, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm pretty good with extrapolation of cost and stuff. That's what I did in my last job. But I did have like previous price history. That's the tricky thing with these new assets. It's like, what barometer do you use to measure like future performance? An exponential price impulse is exactly that. Exponential. There's no support. There's no resistance. There's no freaking, what is it, Elliott wave? That Elliott wave shit, by the way, that's more or less like a random guess. The difference between, you know, the 3 wave being 3 inches to 5 inches is all pretty much within like the perspective of the drawer of the line. You know what I'm saying? So H bar, it's looking hot. I'm just, when I come across a new asset like that, I rely heavily on the fundamental news. And H bar's fundamental news has been kind of fire. I mean, I got 10 videos in my H bar playlist dating all the way back to 2020. Watch those. Tell me you're not impressed. 14 people, what's good? And I don't want to hear all that bullshit about H bar not being decentralized. Okay, guys, we know this. Okay, we know this. There's going to be private blockchains with public blockchains. It's all use case. Whether or not you prefer that use case is a different question. But in an interoperable future for blockchain, there will be multiple use cases. Am I right? Right? Am I wrong? Let me know. What's good, guys? 16 people. What's up? 6 minutes in. I'm talking like I just did some crap. I didn't, but you know. Well, I've never done it. But I could only just imagine, you know? Let's see. What up, Dub? Demo with nothing much, man. Nothing much. Just, you know, trying to live my best life and shit. Are we all? You hold any ADA, Dub? I am. Not as much as I want to, but I am. I sold some off to buy an exercise bike that I thought broke today. I fixed it. I'm a handy man. But, you know, I at least took my initial investment off. I wish I had some freaking more. I'm not going to lie to you. I ain't proud, guys. I ain't proud. ADA's been fire, hasn't it? Psh, ADA, Soul. Damn. Bro, remember when we talked about Cope? Shit went 4x. We did. I talk about so many goddamn cryptos, man. I'm starting to like black out. You know, Cope? That's tight. Laughing my ass off. Crypto news, all sweaty. Hey, man, I do sweat in here, man. I don't got no air conditioning in this room. I should. I don't know, right? You would think I would. Got this freaking little fan over here, man. God damn it. Pick it up. Let's see. So what about XRP? It is coin evolved last cycle. Okay, I'm not quite sure what that means, but I think I know what it means. Hold on. People be want to see the XRP. I understand. I stopped covering that because the XRP army didn't like my videos, although I thought they were hot. But they got their peoples already. I get it. Yeah, XRP, just to let you guys know, like, okay, from 25 cents, what was it? No, 25 cents? I don't even know. God damn it. Should I get to TradingView on this thing? Anyway, I'm not going to get TradingView, but last time I looked at it, I think it was like 120x from the low to the high, okay? Just, you could check it on TradingView. I'm not going to do all that. 120x. That's crazy. That's like Doge-like, right? It's Doge-like. Doge is like XRP, is like XLM, is like OXT. They're called oscillators, right? They lag, but then boom, they blow out of nowhere. Then they come down real quick. That's what XRP does. XRP's lagged the cycle even last cycle. Everyone thought XRP was a dud. They thought it was a joke. Just like it's been lagging right here with a lot of the OG coins. But one thing's for sure, and we've seen the nature of the asset, XRP blows up like a mother. Everyone's laughing at it until it goes up high. Why? I was laughing at it. I was like, XRP's a banker coin. I fed into the narrative, and then that shit went high. And when I say high, it went so high it made me re-question what I know. So I said this time, nah, not again. I'm not going to be too proud this time. So I bought XRP off of this dump. I think it was 17 cents. My girl, she out there buying it 33 cents and shit. Like a genius. Right now, it's sitting at $1.18, 17 cents, and we start talking about it. How far high will it go? I've heard 8 to 16 to 32 and somewhere in the 20s. How do, like, again, right? I usually just take the last all-time high, multiply it by 10. That will put us at a price of 33. That's the numerology. What the hell? $33 XRP. Does it sound kind of crazy? It does. It sounds crazy to me, but that's only a 10x from where I hit last cycle. Imagine people saying it was going to get to $3 when it was sitting at 20 cents for the longest time, or even worse, less than a cent in 2017 first quarter. It always sounds crazy until it happens. 18 people, what's up? Jay Pay, what's up, bro? What up, Dub? I've asked you before, but tell me again. Let's look at the charts. What XRP looking like to you? Hey, we just did it, man. We just did it. But yeah, man, like that's the thing. Would you think I'm an idiot for saying $33? That's just the metric I've been using for every single crypto that's been through a cycle. I'm just taking a 10x, applying it to the 2017 high, bada bing, bada boom, nice measuring stick. The reason I say that is because Bitcoin from 2013 cycle to 17 went at 20x. And when you put it in this perspective that all altcoins have a smaller market cap, they should in theory be more volatile, right? Meaning they should go up farther than Bitcoin and go down lower than Bitcoin. And they did go down lower than Bitcoin in the bear market. So when you think of it like that, it's not that crazy because even Bitcoin from cycle to cycle had a 20x. I'm just saying a 10x. I'm trying to account for diminishing returns. Now, there's always a possibility it could underperform that, you know, but the theory is smaller market cap, altcoin season, money flows from Bitcoin into altcoins, shit goes bananas. 18 people, what's up? And you're never going to hit the exact high, guys. You're not going to hit the exact high. That's just what it's going to be. Unless you're like a genius or a psychic. And in that situation, you need to be telling me what's going on. 19 people, what's up? Yo, I'm here. What up? Dad Master, what's up, man? Hey, did you hit me on Telegram? I thought I saw it, but then it went away. I don't know if that was me or you. But I hit you back. All right, I hit you at least for that, about that airdrop you were talking about. So hit me back on Telegram. Appreciate you. Buy any new altcoins this week? Should we look at? Buy any new altcoins? Are there any new altcoins we should look at? Well, okay. We haven't done this in a while. Let's just go down coin market cap. We could look at the macro and all that Phil. But we've been doing that for the last couple of times. I think it's getting a little boring. Let's mix it up. Bitcoin, 49K. Hey, shit's going up and down. Freaking people out and shit. Ethereum, doing its thing, like it. Cardano, it's up 30% on the day. Damn, I mean on the week. That's crazy. XRP, blah blah blah. Doge, and this is the canary in the coal mine. You guys want to know when shit's about to get crazy? Watch Doge and Shiba Inu, because those are the coins that the new money likes. When new money starts flooding in, that's easy money. Okay, so watch the coins they like. Dogecoin, I got my eye on it. Last week, I mean, it's not looking too hot, to be honest. But like I said, we'll go over the Bitcoin cycle to cycle, Bitcoin liquid index chart. We could look at where we're at. We're still not in October. I've been saying October. I think September, we should start grinding, like trending upwards. There might be a correction to come early. But then after that, we should start to show some life. October, if we're not there already, we should be going back up to all-time highs and taking off above. Not financial advice. But with that said, Dogecoin, hey, it needed a long, extended retracement, right? This thing went from 6 cents to 70 cents. That's rude, and not really no real volume coming in here. So I'm thinking this thing could give some back, but watch Dogecoin, watch Shiba. You just want to know when you could throw your money around in altcoins and it's going to go up. These are the coins to watch. Canary in the coal mine. Shiba Inu, no kind of volume. I got to zoom up here to see it. Damn. But notice, guys, like, look, see this? Quick impulse up, falls down, and does like these random gyrations up and down. This is just a larger version of this. I'm thinking this is fractal, right? Because we had that large impulse up, and now it's doing that kind of like weird boxy rotation. At a certain point, though, it showed its nature that it goes up out of nowhere, right? So it's going to be boring. It's going to look dead until it takes off. And Shiba Inu is on all the noobs' radars, right? Like, you guys got some friends, they probably talked about Shiba or SafeMoon or Doge or some shit. 19 people, what's up? What up, Dub? Let's not get ahead of ourselves and look at the charts. What's VeChain looking like to you? Let's see it. VeChain. That was a name that was super hot in 2020. Super hot in 2020. Kind of fell off, right? Just like Chainlink. Chainlink was going ham in 2020. VeChain, it's looking cool. Like, look, it's came back pretty well in the macro scheme of things. It's not going to be doing too bad moving forward, but volume's kind of going down, right? It's not building into the move. It's like it could like flow down a little bit, maybe to like 10 cents, right? We're at 12 now. I don't think there's going to be like mayhem coming for it because VeChain has great fundamentals. Everyone knows about it, right? I don't got to say it anymore. I've said it like 1,000 times. And if you want to learn about it, go ahead and look at any VeChain like video. They're going to talk about the partnership with China and Walmart. Sam's Club? I don't know. I stopped looking into it because that was enough for me. You know, so like if you're waiting for mayhem blood, like there's some good, like, I guess you'd say support built into like the 10 to 9 cent. If it gets really, really hairy, okay, well then everything's bleeding. But hey, it's came back. Look at that V shape bouncing back. Now it's losing some steam because Bitcoin is looking uncertain. People are getting scared. But if you're saying like what's it gonna look like towards the end of the cycle, maybe until like December timeframe, people bought this thing up and it rose up a lot more than some other altcoins did. So that's should be a vote of confidence. How high will it go? You know, new asset, hard to say, right? So with these things, I like to do it based off time. And that's a good segue. Let's do it. What the hell? There it is. All right. It's the daily. I'll go to the weekly. You guys know this is the Bitcoin Liquid Index. This is the same chart I've been using. I used to make my 4-year cycle video. So I get this RSI out here. Don't mean nothing right now. And the volumes. What the hell? Get out of here. So basically, I just labeled the mid-cycle tops and the tops. Also, these are every year. Dark black lines are every cycle or 4-year cycle. We zoom up, you'll obviously see, look at the video, I compare, get out of here, Lenovo. I compare this current cycle with 2013 because they look just similar in structure, more so than 2017, which was, everything happened later in 2017, about 2 months later, so everything was smushed together, compressed, like the like retracements weren't as long, and like the end of the cycle was more explosive. This is more 2013-ish, therefore, I looked at the October timeframe is when everything started to turn around. We had a pretty good run up out of this bottom here. More than I thought would happen, about 58%, give or take. Well, nothing goes up 58% and doesn't give some back. We're starting to give some back now. I'm seeing some weakness. Can we fall down to about 41, 42K? I was saying 40K, I think. Yeah, it's possible. Like, come on. Nothing goes up forever. You got to give some back. Price action is sequential. Price progression is sequential. 2 steps forward, 1 step back, right? So would it be the end of the world if Bitcoin came back? No, I got some dry powder. I mean, I was saying that this is like a rising wedge, which is typically a pattern reversal, right? But with that said, why would I be looking to buy if Bitcoin came down again? Because, guys, we're stair-stepping all the way up. We're getting closer and closer to October, the end of that year. And the Last 3 months of the cycle have tended to be when the explosive exponential blow off tops occur. You know? So with that said, yeah, I'm looking to buy some blood. Like Dubdigital, what happens if it like just comes all the way down and like you buy it and it goes down to $- Okay, well, I've done that already. That's always a possibility. I did that in the bear market. I try to catch a falling knife. But good thing for me, I'm buying a retracement in September, October. Last time I did it, it was over here in freaking January, like a dumbass. So with that said, and because I've laid out these 4-year cycles, watch my video. Every 4 years, Bitcoins went up, came down a lot. Went up, came down a lot. It's going up. But to come down a lot would be premature and not true to what we've seen on the cycle that's played out for 10 years. Okay? So if it comes down a little bit, I'm going to take the odds. I'm going to take the chances and buy this shit. Because we're going to still have this run up. It's my opinion. Where's it going to go? Jump in the log scale so you can see it better. I'm thinking about 200 to 250,000. Dubdigital kind of bleed into next quarter? Yeah, it could. A lot of shit's possible. I ain't no freaking mind reader. But what I'm trying to tell you is this. If you think that Bitcoin just makes this rounded, sorry-ass little lump on the chart and that's it, like the end of it, you haven't been in crypto very long. Does this look like a little rounded lump to you? I'm serious. I'm asking you guys a question right now. 19 people, what's up? No, that looks like a knife. That looks like pointy as shit. This is like the little 2017 rounded lump, but it's different because it occurred in June. This pump started in April, just like 2013. This looks a lot more like what happened currently. Started taking off in October, end of September, ran up, it topped out first day of December. So it's always a possibility that this time could be different, right? That could always happen. I could always sit here and look like an idiot. I'm okay with that. Happens. But if you're using patterns as a predictor of what may occur in the future, while it's true that it doesn't always exactly happen, like the future doesn't always happen as the past had, it typically rhymes. Right? I mean, you guys see crypto going up when it hit 29,000. It went up to freaking 50,000. It didn't go down to 10. It didn't go down to 8 or 3 or like some people say $-. It went up. Okay? It went up. 20 people, what's up? Thank you. Hey, what up, yo? Nothing much, chill money. How you been? I hit you a little bit ago. Oh, you did? I gotta check. I got some people up in my Telegram. Not in my group. All of my Telegram being little. You ever want to like uppercut someone from afar? Like just maybe walking down the street and like an uppercut comes, bang! And looking around, they know it's you. No? Just me? Okay. Weekends make no monies. There be weekends all over the place. This is the wolf pack, not the puppy pack. You capiche? 19 people, what's up? Be humble, $10. Thanks, man. Appreciate you supporting the channel. Much love. I'm gonna be late. Mad respect. Be humble. You're the freaking man. Appreciate it. BCH volume going up. Let's see. I was doing some research on Bitcoin Cash. I like those dudes. I like how they think. Strategic as shit. I like how they think. It'll be in my video. $646 a BCH. Volume's going up a little bit. I mean, on the macro, I'm just looking like far out. I mean, year to date. God, I can't see shit. Can you guys see that? It's creeping up. It's creeping up. I'll give you that. But I'll tell you what, man. Like everyone goes, oh, these older coins, Bitcoin Cash, EOS, blah, 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 Zcash, like they suck. They've been underperforming and shit. Like, look. Yes, to an extent, they've been lagging. I looked at the ETH chart. They look like they're going to be lagging until November, October, but then they go freaking ham. Not financial advice. But with that said, when there's corrections, they don't go down as much because you can't go through the freaking floor, right? Assets don't go down to zero negative unless you're oil. Hey, what's up with that? March 2020, oil went negative. I was like, what the fuck are they talking about? Cryptos can't go negative. Oil could go negative apparently because there's storage cost. But like, yeah, like the most Bitcoin Cash could go down to is like what, 400 something? We had some tanking down to death. So look, Bitcoin Cash, it's always been a late performer. When I say always, it's because there's only been one freaking cycle. Okay. But they got that smart BCH shit going. Okay. No one knows about smart BCH. No one and their mom knows. Okay. But that's going to bring smart contract compatibility to Bitcoin Cash. And they're working with CoinFlex. CoinFlex is going to implement, I'm giving you all the good stuff. I'm giving you good stuff. You're not going to watch my video. You going to watch my video? Yeah? Okay. They're going to be implementing Flex, USD Flex or Flex USD, which is a stable coin that will be compatible with Smart BCH, that you will get yield just holding. USDT, USDC, you ain't getting no yield. USD Flex, you get like 90%. It's crazy. What does it mean? I don't even know. I got to think about it more. I'm just seeing a bunch of shit going on with Bitcoin Cash, but no one cares because they hate Bitcoin Cash. Now, people say, well, why are you investing in old coins? They're dead. All the momentum's gone. I'll turn around and say, you guys are just sleeping on shit and you're mad and you're salty. And you'll see. We'll see, guys. We'll see. Everyone says, oh, well, you're like getting to the hype coins and blah, blah, blah. They're first runners and all that. I don't know. I like the underdog story. You know what I'm saying? Underdog story. PNT P network. Is that EOS, right? ONT. No, not that. Oh yeah. That's a good thing. So EOS, this is the protocol that wraps their assets, right? For EOS, like PBTC, I believe. Correct me if I'm wrong. I'm not like uber into all the assets on EOS, but I think PBTC is the wrapped Bitcoin version on top of EOS. They also wrap some other stuff. P network current supply or max supply will be 87 million. Current supply is 32 mil, so 36% is out in circulation. Only a $39 million market cap, 38 now. Oh, that's the thing with EOS too, man. They be getting freaking ignored so hard. Like no one likes EOS, no one likes BTC, BCH. But they're building out their ecosystems and they're useful and they're functional. You know, like no one knows about anyone, no one even has EOS, to be honest with you. And no one has any of the tokens built onto it. Right? Yeah. So if Bullish comes out of the pipe, like they're successful and they're grabbing market share, don't you think Blummer would open up some, I guess you say, trading pairs for these obscure small EOS-based coins? It makes sense. And actually, he's mentioned it on a tweet. Did you know that? You probably didn't know that unless you're involved at EOS. That's why you follow this channel. 19 people, what's up? This is a game of patience and positioning. To the winners go all the spoils, y'all. To the winners go all the spoils. All is fair in love and war, right? Dubdigital, you're taking advantage of people because you're hoping that things go down and people sell. Yeah, I hope that shit happens. What do I look like to you, the Red Cross? No, I'm out here to make money. You guys should be out here to make money. This is the game. This is game time, man. This shit happens every 4 years. Who knows if this is the last cycle? Probably isn't, but it might be. You know what I'm saying? We're getting down to the nuts and bolts. We're getting down to where the rubber meets the road. Okay. No one said this shit was easy. No, not easy. It's not been easy for me. Not been easy for a lot of people. But the people who see it through tend to get all the spoils. 19 people, what's good? Yo, Dub, any idea how low BTC dominance will go this cycle? How low will it go? In 2018, BTC Dom went from negative 60%, 60% to 30% in a single month. Worried cashing out of altcoin season will be like catching a falling knife. Hey, I mean, Theo, you're not wrong. Because altcoins move so fast. I mean, that big drop happened in 2 weeks. Not even a month, 2 weeks. So you're right. It moves quick. So that's why I say if you're in altcoins, you probably won't catch the top. Because they spike at different times too. Even if the Bitcoin dominance falls and you catch that fall down, it doesn't mean every coin you hold, you're going to catch that top, because that money's filtering through different assets at different times. Some pump off in November, some pop off in December, some pop off in January, and that's what we saw in 2017. So unless you got that crystal ball, it is like catching a falling knife. But with that said, I like how you think. Let's jump over to the Bitcoin Dom chart. It's blank. How's it blank? It's loading. Okay, let me buy some time. What's that? Stretch? Let me stretch. 19 people, it's good. Okay, I'm gonna do some stand-up. While my thing loads. Airplane food, what's up with that? No? Okay, hold up, it's still loading. Okay, we're in. I can stop telling bad jokes now. Okay, let me wet my whistle, guys. My wife was telling me that my voice sounded all like hoarse and shit last time, so she gave me a LaCroix. That's how you know you made it. Hey, 20 people, what's good? Okay, so we're going to talk about what Theo Kent just said. Theo Kent, my bad. Okay, so yeah. This is what you're talking about. From December 18th to about January 1st, Bitcoin Dom fell from 60-ish to 30-ish. That was about a reduction of 45 to 50% in the Bitcoin dominance. If you need a translation, it means 54% of the money in Bitcoin flew into altcoins within like 2 weeks, real quick. How low can it go? Well, nobody really knows, but we can make some guesstimates, right? Because, I mean, one thing's for sure, the trend is down and to the right. At least it has been for the last 4 years. Really, since Bitcoin has been around, we even started in 2016, so 5 years, right? Even if this was what the altcoin season started at, and then it started doing this. So this is indicating to me over about 4 to 5 years that the altcoin seasons have been getting more and more dramatic as we go on. So you can notice that this first leg that we had this year was about 36%. We bounced off of the support that was established April 2018. We did some of this for about 3-4 months, and now we're falling out of this triangle, indicating that, this thing wants to bleed down. It wants to act like water. It wants to flow downhill. So where can it go? I mean, to be quite honest, man, just to be straight up with you, this shit can go like, as low as it wants. This is just my take on it. I'm thinking it's not too weird for it to hit downwards of like, what was the all-time low? 36? Shit. Let's say 30 to 20. 30 to 20. If it goes lower than 20, that's crazy. It's crazy. I'm not going to say all that. But like 30 to 20, I think that's a good range, right? Because last all-time low was 37. So that's about, down here to, let me draw it. So I remember this shit. I just say all this stuff and I don't remember. Okay, let's make it pink. I need more pink. Where's the pink? Come on, man. No? All right. God's saying don't use pink. I'll use red. Better. 22 people, what's up? So around here, man. But like, what did like last cycle show us, right? We could only look at the past to see what might occur. Doesn't mean it has to. But right around October timeframe, Bitcoin started taking off first. That's why the Bitcoin dominance started running up. Because when Bitcoin goes off first, people, and it goes off a lot. Like we're talking like 10 to 20 to 20 to 65. Like was doing those big old expanses. People are like, shit. They start freaking out. They start selling their altcoins for Bitcoin, right? So the money starts flowing back into Bitcoin. Then when it's topping out, whales start selling their Bitcoin. The expanse of Bitcoin starts slowing down and they start rediversifying into altcoins, right? So right around the end of October to November, whales are starting to get out of there. Selling. That's why you start seeing these drops. They're getting liquidity. Then they put it in altcoins and then they start taking off because whales are investing in altcoins and then everyone follows. Do you notice how all this shit is just like money following money? So with that said, at some point, Bitcoin dominance probably is going to rise substantially because Bitcoin, unless Bitcoin just stays at 45,000, 49,000 forever, which is not going to happen. At some point, it's probably going to get to 3K. I mean, 6 figures. Not 3K. What the hell am I saying? I'm going to smack myself. It's probably going to get to 6 figures. Might even go beyond that because like I said, people want to buy something at $1 more than they want to buy it at 80 cents. People want to buy something at 100K more than 80K. So once it breaches that nice round psychological number, you think it's going to stop there? I don't think so. It's probably going to go up farther. And the altcoins at the end are probably going to start popping off just like it did over here because that's just the natural psychology. So I think I like rambled on a lot for this, but I think it's very important to understand. This is what I'm going to be starting navigating. Like this is how I'm going to navigate myself when things are going crazy. Like altcoins are going insane. I'm going to look at Bitcoin dominance and be like, what's going on? Oh, shit. You know, like, I'll be looking around like this and be like, everything's popping off. Moonboy Lambo, hyperventilating and shit. And then I'll look at the Bitcoin dominance and I'll breathe the fresh breath of air and say, calm down, Dubdigital. You know the way. Look at the Bitcoin down. What percentage is it? Oh, it's in all-time lows. Oh, shit. I got to start getting ready. Have I pulled anything? Am I willing to let this money go away from me? If no, I might want to start harvesting some profits. That's why these macro charts are so useful. They keep you sane when everyone around you is crazy. You guys got a taste of that May of this year. Everything was popping off. You were loving it. You thought getting rich was gonna be easy, huh? New people, huh? You said, "Oh my God, I just gotta throw this and that and this and that and this and that, and I'm gonna keep investing." Boom, bottom falls out, huh? Yeah, it's because you got wrapped up. Don't listen to what people say. People say a whole bunch of shit. Look at what the charts say. Charts don't got feelings. 25 people, what's up? Please analyze STORJ. I actually did like the other day. It's no-brainer investment in undervalued compared to Filecoin, mode advanced technological as well as more secure. Where did I analyze that at? STORJ. Damn. I saw, what exchange was I on? Why was I looking at STORJ? For some reason, someone told me to look at STORJ. Let's just look at it on CoinMarketCap. Do they got like a leverage token on STORJ? I don't know. I've been playing around looking at KuCoin to see what they got. Do they got a leverage token on STORJ? Whatever, doesn't matter. 24 people, what's up? Hold up. Total supply, 424 million. Okay, so a lot of it's out there already, just FYI. Dude, I bought STORJ, guys. I didn't hold on to it. I bought it down here. I did. Man, moments that make me want to smack myself. Let's see. Okay, market cap 500 million. Not even a billion yet. I would say this though, man. Like, yes, STORJ seems like a good play. Yes, The chart looks pretty hot. Yes, it's come down a lot. It's just that what if we fall into some adversity? This thing should come down some more. It's ran up. It had a really good run up, but not that much volume. You know, if anything, and I mean this thing's been around for a cycle or two, right? So if anything, I think it could come back down to like $1.20. But you know, if you're investing for the cycle, it's not a horrible place to pick it up at. Like, you know, this shit's gonna go up from here. It's just that if you're trying to finesse it, that's what I'm saying. But if you don't give a damn, you're just dropping money and you're like, whatever. Like, I've definitely done that sometimes. Like, STORJ looks pretty good. I was just wondering where and why I just looked at that. 20 people, what's good? More advanced technology. Solana. Okay. Sol. People, they want Sol. Right? 22 people, what's good? $72. God dang, this thing ran up. This thing ran up with a quickness. This thing 3x real quick when Bitcoin was doing nothing. Damn. Sol and Cardano, whatever. Potato. Looking good. Start top off. There's a little double top shit going on. A little M. Up. The surrounding. That's not looking too pretty, to be honest with you. That's never a good freaking look. But it could give some back. It ran up like 3x. What do you want it to do? Like, yeah, it's probably gonna give some back. Does it mean Solana's a bad asset? No, it's a leader. It's just that, you know, I don't buy in the sky. Dubdigital, like, it could like go up too, yeah, but it can go down too. Let's be real about it. 26 people, it's good. Where can it come down to? I mean, look, maybe $54, but maybe not, because this thing ran up so like ludicrously. People are looking for this thing to come down. They want it to come down, and they probably won't wait for it to bottom out to get it. See, that's the thing with these like ultimate runners, these like market leaders. People are so anxious that it came down at all. They start buying it up, holding it up like crazily. Like that's happened to ETH too. A lot of hype, market leader. Look, when coins were coming down to death all the way down here, when Bitcoin's crashing, this shit stayed above its all-time high because people were sold. They're like, nah, I need more ETH though. They weren't asking if ETH is good. They're not asking any of that. They're saying, I need more ETH though. People are saying that about Sol now. People are saying that about ADA now. You know what I'm saying? 24 people, what's good? Hi. Hey, I know you. And bless the stream. Oh, sick, man. Thanks, man. Appreciate that. Very kind of you. Oh, he's the best. Ziki, been watching some 1929 stock market crash docs, and so much leading up to it rhymes with the things in Bitcoin current world. Be wary of 2022 crypto winter, super new and weak hands. Yeah, I mean, look, like, you guys don't think the Great Depression just started with the Depression. No, it started with the runoff, blow off top, the 1920s. Ever heard of the Roaring 20s? Yeah, people were, I guess that meant fun. What an old person speaks. You know, like Roaring 20s. People were getting rich. Girls were running around with flappy dresses and shit. And you know, like freaking speakeasies and shit. People were having a blast. And then the correction came. People are having a blast now. Crypto's going ham. I expect crypto to go ham. Crypto, like, from just looking at it, like, no, I haven't like done any time analysis on it, but whatever, just deal with it. This is my observation. The time is condensed within crypto. Crypto does market gyrations and moves that it takes other assets like 10 years to do, like a decade. Crypto's doing it like in a year, whatever. Like, I don't even know what it equates to in terms of how condensed it is. That'd be interesting to do, actually. But you tell me something that just repeatedly blow off tops so frequently and cyclically, routinely. It's because crypto, in my mind, and this is just in my mind, guys, 23 people, what's up? Crypto is more or less money and tech. It's financial technology, right? So like it's moving like tech, even though it's a financial instrument. You know, like this is a revolution in how people can do business, conduct commerce. And because of this, it's like just making everything obsolete. People are looking at this shit and like, why am I using this old paper shit? It's just so much better. And people know it. Every time someone buys crypto with a fiat currency, the old system loses. And more people are looking around and be like, my fiat currency don't buy shit. Well, I can't even buy chicken anymore at Costco. But if I have Bitcoin, I could buy more chicken right now. See, it's the opting into the new economy. It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when, because it's going to financially incentivize people to switch. 24 people, what's up? Jig stack, 1,000%. Opinion? Stack. What's it doing? Is it up since my video? Hopefully. Stack. Stack Ventures. What the fuck is this shit? Jig stack. There it is. Hold up, guys. I gotta open my LaCroix like a fancy bitch. Woo! Now it's a party. Warm up the throat. Let's get it. Jig stack. 1 cent, 1.2 cents. 25, 33% up. Wow, what the hell did I just say? 25.33% up. I don't even know when it. When I make this shit. August? No. Is it July? Probably July. Yeah, probably July. I think it's up. I can't even tell. It's so small. I don't know. I gotta check when I release my video, but it's curving up, you know. Jig stack's relatively new. I did a video on it. Go check my altcoin gen playlist. Can I go 1,000%? Well, I mean, it's 1 cent now. April, it hit freaking 20 cents. So that's a 20x. If you bought it down here in July, that's a lot of X. Can I go 1,000%? I mean, you know, speculation, but it's low. It's been high. This cycle, it's starting to round up. We don't see much volume come in. It depends on how high it will go. If it makes you feel happy, good, yes. Yes, it can go that high. Will Jig stack be a winner and go higher than it is now? I think so, yeah. I'm not like trying to get nailed down to percentage though, but you know how it is. 25 people, what's up? Jay Paid, how come people don't talk about good old Litecoin? Are we sleeping on digital silver, Dub? See what I did there. Ha ha. Ha ha. Silver and the digital silver. LTC, yeah. I got this shirt at the first Litecoin summit. Litecoin's the right coin. We got like some free Litecoin on our badge and shit. It was tight. But to be honest, like story time, like I pulled up there with the homie that got me into Bitcoin, and I was expecting like, you know, this big ass stadium, I don't know, like just a bigger convention center. I rolled up there in 2018. Little rinky dink, man, in San Francisco. I was like, what the heck? I was looking around, like a couple booths. You know, the speaking was You could actually look up on YouTube about the like Litecoin Summit in 2018. I think I was like I was the last question that be asked to Charlie. I asked him about like atomic swaps and stuff. But yeah, that's when I knew like, okay, we are early. I had to scope it out. I had to scope it up for myself and say, what's up with this? Like, how big is this shit? I just want to go see. And like, it was not nothing. Not saying Litecoin's nothing. I'm saying that's how early you are in crypto. It's probably a little bigger now. But if you're thinking everyone, your mom and everyone in the world is loving crypto, wrong. Wrong. We're still the minority. But Litecoin, 180 bucks. 84 million max supply. How high will Litecoin fly? It's looking a lot like Digibyte's chart, to be honest with you. You know, the quick run up past the all-time high, fell down because Bitcoin took a shit on the sidewalk. Now it's making like a W, or you can make, well, let's see, is that an inverse head and shoulders? The best chart I can do on, you know, coin market cap and shit. Not really. But obviously, you can see that there was a buyback. It's been above its last all-time high, 2017, which was, I think it was about 400 actually. The wick got up to 400. I remember that because Charlie Lee came out and was like, hey, you guys should sell all your Litecoin. I was like, what are you doing, Charlie? What the fuck, man? I shook your hand and shit. I got freaking pissed off. Everyone got pissed off. People calling him a shill, calling him like a pump and dumper. But now I look back at it and Charlie Lee was just trying to help people out and be like, hey, you know this shit's going to go down, right? You know about the 4-year cycle, right? He was trying to help people out. But who knows how exponential it would have went. We don't know. And if Charlie keeps his mouth shut, we'll find out. But it's a good takeaway, guys. The shit's going to come down. Charlie Lee, creator of freaking Litecoin. He was around since God knows when in crypto. He knows about it. Just saying something, guys. But like, yeah, I think Litecoin, it's not getting a lot of like hype, but just think about it. PayPal accepts Litecoin. The Venmo, Litecoin, all the major gold brokers, Litecoin. Yeah, man, like everyone accepts Litecoin. Every major retailer accepts Litecoin. Every exchange has Litecoin. Litecoin's got some major liquidity. It's got $11 billion, $12 billion wrapped up in its market cap. Some major liquidity. Litecoin Trust and Grayscale. Litecoin's everywhere. No one talks about it. Same thing with Bitcoin Cash. Now the main what do you call it? Challenger to Litecoin is obviously Bitcoin Cash. Like they're accepted everywhere too. And they're trying to be the cash payment system. In fact, I remember a video with Charlie Lee and Roger Ver where they're talking about it. And Roger Ver's giving them smoke. He's like, hey, how long is it going to take to build out Lightning Network? And Charlie Lee's like, well, you know, a couple years. And Roger Ver's like, I bet you it's not going to be done by then. That's why I like that fool. Check it out. I don't care who wins, man. I got them both. They win, I win. Bada bing, bada boom. I don't think either is going to go to zero. I just think one's going to dominate the niche. And if either dominate the niche, I'm going to kill it. Oh, yeah, and if Digibyte comes out of nowhere and gets that, I'm going to kill it. See, guys, that's the beauty about diversifying around the niche. You don't got to pick that winner. You're statistically unlikely to do so. So why try? Just spread out. But that's not financial advice. 26 people, what's up? WAN LTC WASP, I assume not much in there. Yeah. I mean, people who like have Litecoin, they hodl that shit, you know, so like Litecoin has a big Litecoin's community is a lot like Bitcoin's community. It's a lot like Bitcoin Cash's community. There's not this huge need to go cross chain, you know, so they typically don't do it. Bitcoin Cash, like they stay within their ecosystem. Litecoin, it's really not building out an ecosystem, at least in my mind. They're trying to be complementary to Bitcoin. Bitcoin, they hodl that shit. They use it in like as collateralized loans and stuff. There's certain coins where it's just not within the whole community's ethos to do that. Doesn't mean like no one has Litecoin. It just means like, look, Digibyte too. They don't screw with nothing that's not Digibyte. Like even I think they got a liquidity protocol on 1inch. I looked in there was like no liquidity. And I know there's people who have a lot of Digibyte. They just sit on that shit. 28 people, what's up? Drop them gems, DD. Hey, try, man. It's hard out here. It's hard out here for a pimp. Hustle and Flow, you guys seen that? Sick. Basically, the reason why no one likes EOS is because Dan Larimer. What? Danny Boy? I believe EOS is a good coin. I like the vision, but personally, I've lost a lot of money because Dan Larimer, especially when he left. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, you know. Hey, he's an intellectual, man. He's all up here. He's like in his own little world. That's how these guys are. They're like really smart guys. They're all up in their world. They don't do shit and go on. They leave the project. They go write a book. They come back. They start a governance structure. Eden. Look, man, like, I get it. I don't know if it's all because of Dan. I think it has a lot to do with, like, them not really letting people know what's going on and starting B1. People, like, the whole thing with, like, EOS, and they get a lot of flack, at least from iKingling, is that it always seems like they got the money for the coin, and then they left the coin. They started B1. They're always doing some other shit. Then they started an exchange. Then they started voice.com. You know, now they're doing Eden. And everyone's like, what about the freaking coin? The one thing I think, though, is like, I think that they're not just starting a bunch of shit and not finishing it. I think they have a plan. The reason being is, I mean, if they were just a bullshit coin that was scamming everybody, why didn't the SEC bring them down? What? The SEC won the trial. They won the trial against them, saying, you're an unregistered security, dumbasses. And they're like, okay. And the SEC was like, yeah, but we'll give you a waiver, so it's all gravy. Just pay us, this money, which they did. Why would they do that? I don't know. It's all laid out in my video on EOS. But then they turn around and West Virginia gives them $500,000 to build a building right outside of Washington, D.C. What the hell? Do I have all the answers? No. That seems weird, right? It's a hunch. It might be a wish. It might be a prayer. But no one's been able to tell me what all of that shit's about. Cheers for the insights. Much love. Appreciate you, man. Go Digibyte and Theta rule. Britannia. Let's do it. What's Digibyte doing these days? Probably 6 cents still. No, 7. It's at 7 now. Right? Yeah. 7 cents. It's all good. Look how similar it looks to the Litecoin chart. That shit. Litecoin. Digibyte has 21 billion max supply. Dumb. You know what I'm saying? So, like, these have similar structures. They both peaked all-time high, came back down. I think both of them want to do pretty big things this cycle. But you watch my Digibyte video, it probably will be later on. Digibyte had one of these big impulses up beginning of the year, just like it did in 2017. This structure looks a lot like this if you zoom up more. Then it kind of did this like farting around shit. October, November, December, it was underperforming. Everyone hated it. And then this shit went bang out of nowhere. I mean, if this structure looks like this structure, and we got like the first leg of this forming out, you guys see what I'm saying. I'm thinking we're going to get some underperformance until the end of the year. Then it's going to go ham. Why? Because charting and structures are just a reflection of people's psychology on an asset. It's how they think of it. And in fact, from cycle to cycle, the same people invest in the same assets. Why? Because they like the asset. It's the same goddamn people. They think the same. 29 people, what's up? Yes, I find your channel when I was looking for ETH, ETC, BCH, EOS. I'm 90% in those as well. All on those 1.5 years. Maybe I buy a Tesla in October, maybe 2 if Zoo goes up also. Which Tesla, man? Model 3 or the Roadster? What you doing? One in the middle, I don't know what it's called. Hey, my friend, he picked me up in a Tesla the other day. He floored that shit. I was like, oh, shit. That's fast as shit. I see why people like it. I was like, I should get one. Yeah, I should get one. BSO bullish. Yer. Hey, Dub, what's up? How you guys doing? 31 people. I feel blessed, man. I started this channel with 29 people. Now we got 31 people. I got more people on my live stream than I did when I had started this channel. I started as just talking about shit in my car. If you go back to my early videos, just talking about shit in my car at work. Why? Because work. Oh my God. Just want to be anywhere else but work. Shout out. Y'all know who I'm talking about. Yo, Dub, hope you're well, dude. Hey, I don't have too many complaints, man. Life is what it is. It's challenging. It's tough. We all take lumps, but it is what it is. Anything extra in the coffee? No, not today, man. I'm drinking LaCroix now. I'm trying to not get that horse voice. Sound like a freaking frog and shit. I know. EOS. 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 Come on, guys. EOS. See, I'm pissing off other people now. Vince G, what's up, man? How you been? Good? Nice. How the parents? Foundation MSIG just got accepted. The floodgates are open, my friends. What? Vince G, what are you talking about, man? MSIG? Multi-sig? Who? Foundation multi-sig? I'm too stupid, man. What's up? ALGO a good play? I mean, it was. It's a good staking coin, but the chart looks kind of weird. I mean, looks cool. Looks cool. Looks all right. Looks all right. Total supplies, max supply is 10 billion, 34% out in circulation. I know a lot of people, especially the XRP homies, they like ALGO. I mean, I like ALGO. The staking mechanism on it seems really, really simple. I just haven't really dug into this coin. Is it rounding up? Yeah. Will it probably do well? Yeah. I just can't give you too much fundamental secret sauce on it. I just haven't done a video on it. But a lot of people really believe in ALGO. It's all up in the XRP conspiracy, new financial system, blah, blah, blah. I seen it on some charts somewhere. I forget where it's at. Sorry, man. That's all I got on it. But there should be some good videos on YouTube regarding it. It's just not one of mine. Not anything against it. Lifestyle. I'm late. It's okay, man. Chill out, man. Here. Want some purple LaCroix? Huh? 32 people. What's good? Latest purchase, Lith. You buying lithium? Can you have that in your house? I feel like that's not healthy, man. My search ain't working on YouTube app. Anyone same? I don't know, man. I don't know. Have you tried turning around 3 times, jumping up and down, closing your eye, and I don't know. Just try that. See if it works. If Litecoin goes to 1K, BCH will go to 10K, in my opinion. That's dope. It's money for me. It makes me happy. Makes me happy. I should say when, not if. I like the conviction. It makes me 33 people on the chat. Damn, man. I'm Mason now. Mason hour. Okay, here's some Mason advice. Shit, I don't know anything about Freemasonry. Let's see. Soul, RSR, getting ready to go mainstream. Good, god damn it. What's RSR doing? I haven't had that shit forever, man. It was killing it in 2020 though. 5 cents. Whew, that shit ran up with a quickness. I think I got it around, I don't even know. Probably around here. A cent. 5 cents. Came down to 1 cent again. Dang, that was a heavy correction. RSR, if you guys don't know, is a two token dual system where you can Oh, I forget how it works, but there's 2 coins and they self-regulate themselves. So like you could do arbitrage with RSR and RSV, I think. RSV is like their stable coin. RSR is like the coin that you sell for RSV to balance out the ratio. It's crazy. Basically, if you have RSR, you can do arbitrage when the ratios get out of whack. So you can make money that way by helping balance the stable coin mechanism. Sounded cool. Venezuela was using it, but now Venezuela is using a lot of other shit like BCH. I see BCH out there. They actually have a Kickstarter and stuff regarding BCH, so I don't even know. But yeah, RSR has ties to PayPal too. It's just like, God damn it, PayPal. Like, just say you like it. Blow me to the sky. Please. I spread out. It's called DigiBuy, aka best all UTXOs. That's not spreading out, man. But it's okay. Different strokes for different folks. Hey, Bubba Hotep? Hotep? $5, man. Thank you. Appreciate you. Brother Dub, 2 things. Late to the party today. How do you think ADA and HBAR will do in this run? What's your exit strategy? I understand it's not money advice. Yeah, I'm just gonna tell you, look at my 4-year cycle video. I break it out in 10 minutes, much better than I can do right now. Thank you for the live stream, the super chat. I also just looked at the cycle to cycle for Bitcoin. October, November, December are typically like when the breakout starts happening and blowing off, right? It can bleed into January if it's altcoins and stuff. I think even EOS took longer than that to blow off. But with that said, my exit strategy is basically time-based. I'm going to sell 90 to 80% of my coins, towards that time frame I just mentioned, probably more towards the December time frame-ish, not financial advice. Convert 10% of that into Bitcoin in case I'm wrong, and this is an extended cycle, so I can still appreciate from that. I'm capturing the bulk of the money that I make and leaving a little skin on the table in case I am wrong, and I can just ride that wave. But if I am right, then I'm not like losing a bunch of money if it goes down. So I'm always trying to keep my foot like on both sides of the trade. I'm heavily weighted towards the 4-year cycle playing out, but I'm exposing myself to being wrong as well because I think that's just smart to do. It's called hedging. ADA, HBAR, I talked about both those already. So come back and I'll timestamp. I'm running late on the timestamps. I'm behind on 2. Damn. But yeah, I'll try to timestamp it, man. But thank you for supporting the channel. 33, what's up? Dan created more tech than Vitalik and many other combined. Hey, by the way, who do you think will win in the fight, though? Vitalik or Dan? That's a good one. Because I think, like, Dan Larimer, like, he's pretty tall, right? Like 6'3"? So he has, like, that jab, but I think Vitalik has, like, that mind shit. Like, he's like fucking lifting shit and throwing Dan across on the floor. And Dan's like, ah! Like, Vitalik's, like, giving him, like, an Indian burn across the room. He's like, Dan's, like, trying to, like fight, but it's not working, man. Vitalik's like an evil genius, man. Look at him. Look like an alien and shit. 34 people, what's good? Dan created more tech. Okay, we said that. Dan Larimer never left EOS. He's working on Clarion. He announced today his Gov Architect is ready to demo. Yeah, governance. So that's Eden. I mean, look at my interview with Christopher Barnes. Yeah, he's a member of Eden OS. Talks about we go into a lot of depth. So if you are interested in Eden and all of that, go check out the interview. Also, yeah, one of my videos on EOS talks about how he's working on Clarion, but as far as I know, that's kind of taking a backseat to Eden. But it's still a thing. Yeah, Dan never left. He just took a little sabbatical. He wrote a book. More Equal Animals. It's all good. 33, what's good? Ayo Dub, is Tapcoin for real or not for real? That's the question. It's got some strange looking charts. Tapcoin? Why? Because it goes down so much and make you want to tap? Where the hell is it, man? Tapcoin? Oh. TTT? The hell? You gotta be finding some weird shit. No total supply, no circulating. Okay, 250,000 in volume. It's not looking good, man. It's not looking good. What does it do? Tapcoin aims to allow gamers to convert and trade their in-game virtual currencies from one game to another. The Tap project has created a consensus algorithm proof of mastery for game-related tokens. Proof of mastery? What the hell is that shit? Let's see the website. Proof of work to proof of stake to proof of delegated stake, proof of stake work, freaking decred shit, proof of mastery, proof of time. God, what is going on out here, man? Look at this. Damn. Look at that Gundo. You can buy it on Uniswap. Where can you buy it? Uniswap, NASDAQ. What did NASDAQ say about it? Blockchain Game Alliance. Okay. Well, that's a thing. Just make sure they're really in that. Cyberpunk. Oh, shit. That's Grand Theft Auto 5? Is that 5? Yeah, 5? It's tight. Every time I hear Grand Theft Auto, I think of that. Run so far away. Usually you guys got to super chat me for singing, but I'm going to give you a free one. Okay, let's see. I don't know, man. It's kind of hard to tell. That Blockchain Game Alliance is cool. Look into their website to say that Tapcoin's part of it. This is how you verify. You got to cross check. Because people can say anything they freaking want on the website. You got to cross check. It must be really early. What are the markets? Bixley, Uniswap, Coineal. Only $18,000 on Uniswap. I don't know, man. I don't know. It's not giving me a lot of confidence. Doesn't mean it's not real. It's just like I'm looking at some of the metrics I use to kind of verify, and it's not looking good. Not a lot of partners. They say NASDAQ and the Blockchain Game Alliance. I got to check that. Not a lot of volume. Don't even have circulating supply stuff on there. No market cap. Enter at your own peril. Cause work. Freaking work, man. Why can't they understand? I cannot work when there's a crypto stream. Unless you're gonna give me a raise, let me watch my crypto stream. We're getting serious now. Bosses got to get it together. Unless there's bosses in here, then you know what's up. That's funny. I just looked at Pirate Chain today, Donnie G. Any opinion on Pirate Chain? ARRR. It's allegedly the most private secure token, even more so than Monero. There's an upcoming halving on June 30th. Any opinions on current chart? Okay, so Donnie, just let you know, halvings, from what we've seen in history, halvings typically take about 6 months for the available supply that's already been released to dry up. So it's not an instantaneous thing. You can let's look at Bitcoin real quick. We'll look at that in a second, but let's look at Bitcoin real quick. Bitcoin at a halving. I forgot when it was, though. Damn. When was Bitcoin's halving? Shit. Was it May? I think it was May. June, July, August, September, October. I don't know. It usually takes a couple months, like 6 months, 4 months, 6 months, whatever. So it's not like, the 30s is going to take off automatically. It's going to take some time for what's already been mined and out in circulation to start getting soaked up and not available because hodlers start putting it in their wallets. But, okay, we're not looking at Bitcoin. You want to look at ARRR. I get you. Pirate Chain. It's funny because I looked at this today because one of my followers is big on this. He was talking about this for a long time. There's only 200 million, 93% in circulation. Isn't this Dan Berwick's coin? Right? The guy from Dollar Vigilante? Thought so. Guy out in Mexico and shit. He does the Anarchapulco, I think. Yeah. I think this is his coin, right? It came back. That's a nice W. This thing hit around $15. Not bad. Currently sitting at $4. It went from 30 cents to $15. So it's a big gainer. We don't see a lot of volume coming in here. And just know that there's a lot of whales out there already because they've been soaking this thing up. 93% of the circulation is out already. This thing popped out on the scene. Really, 2019? Wow. So with that said, yeah, I mean, hey, what will the halving do? I'm not sure. Is there enough time in the cycle for it to matter? I'm not sure. You know, it's just, it looks nice. Looks good. Jeff Berwick or whatever the hell his name is. He's a legit dude. I don't know about the privacy stuff on it. And I don't know how widely accepted it is. I know Monero's accepted a whole bunch of places. Just ask yourself, okay, I mean, where can I spend this shit though? Where can I, what are the exchanges? I haven't even checked. KuCoin, Gate.io, CoinX, Bitcoin.com. Okay. It's on Bitcoin.com. Okay. Okay, interesting. My bad. I lost my spot. See Yves La Rose Twitter for more info on MSIG that passed today for EOS Foundation. Oh, it's for EOS? Tight. I will. I'll check it out. Check it out. Thank you. Haha. ETC at 250, or is it too far of a goal? I don't know. No, man, it's not too far of a goal. What the hell? You see that shit? Did you see that shit go up last time? Whoa there. Dubdigital, you're an idiot. Ethereum Classic's trash. Ethereum's the king. Idiot. Yeah. Whatever, Dub. Whatever, guys. You think I make money following the herd? No. Check it out. $63. I bought Ethereum Classic down here, $5-6 when it was getting 51% attacked to death. Everyone was like, Ethereum Classic sucks. Their biggest two miners pulled out, leaving the chain unsecured. They were getting 51% attack. I tried to send my shit to the exchange. It took like 3 weeks. It was insane. And then guess who came up in there? Charles Hoskinson and IOHK approached them with their proposal to start a treasury, saying, we want to save you, ETC. We're one of the most promising projects in the cryptoverse right now, but we want to save you, ETC. IOHK don't mess around with freaking losers. RenVM, Cardano, some other shit I'm just too excited to remember. Then they're trying to save ETC. Then Bitcoin Core, they were proposing potentially doing a merge mining, whatever the hell that means, with ETC. All these people came out trying to save ETC. I did a video on it when it was happening. Go check my ETC videos, the case for the original Ethereum. No one's watched it, huh? Okay. The first impulse up, we went from $6 to what? What was this? Almost $130. This shit is more exponential than Matic on its first impulse up, and people still want to talk shit about ETC. That's all good. Go ahead. I'm up heavy on ETC, and I think this thing could go much farther. How far? We'll have to see, but it showed you the nature of its asset. And it didn't just get above its all-time high like Ethereum did this cycle. No, it went way above it. Because you really think Ethereum, the flagship crypto on the tip of everyone's tongue like Bitcoin was last cycle, that's Ethereum right now. You really think the branding Ethereum Classic's not going to catch any attention? No. I'm getting pissed about this shit because everyone's out here hating on ETC. That's cool. That's all good. I'm gonna buy something with it. I don't know. I'm just talking at my ass right now, guys. It's hot in here. I'm drinking LaCroix. Hey, baby, put something in this LaCroix? She said, yeah. You know, guys, it's hard out here, man, being a visionary. It's hard. People downing you, saying you're stupid. Dubdigital, you're stupid. Got a whole bunch of people on comments being like, you're stupid. Why you talk so much? Why you talk like that? You're stupid. Man. I gotta be a pillar to myself and a pillar to others, a pillar of strength. But seriously, guys, if you think investing, like being successful investing, is just picking what everyone else picks, you're sadly mistaken. 32 people, what's up? Mr. Surreal, what up, Dub? What's up? What's up? Biumbo, what's up, Wolfpack? What I miss? Wait, I'll check back when it's time stamped. I'm lagging on that shit this week, man. My bad. I wasn't a fan, but after watching a few of your live videos, I started to like your thought process. Thanks, man. I don't need to be liked. I just like to be respected. There's method to the madness. Method to the madness. You know, I think I just turn people off with the presentation, but I can give a damn about the presentation. It's what I do. That's me, bro. That's me. We keep it loosey goosey here. We talk. We say some real ass shit. We don't get one-itis. We spread our attention out. We see what's going on. We look at things that people don't pay attention to. We have an open mind. Hey, show me someone who's a right 100% of the time, and I'll show you a liar. You got to have an open mind. Because if you don't, like, you're missing opportunities. I've missed a whole bunch of opportunities, and I've tried to have an open mind more than most people. Man, I mean, I could kick myself on some of them I didn't pull the trigger on. It wasn't necessarily that I thought I didn't believe in them. It was that just like limited capital, especially in 2020 when everything wasn't popping off. But that's the thing. There's 100% going to be something that gets away from you. You don't got to chase it. And I really want to come out here and tell you guys, please don't chase shit. Like, I don't want to see you guys get hurt, man. Like, we're going to the part of the cycle where it's going to get so ridiculous in my mind, not financial advice. We've yet to see it, but I think that we're going to get to a spot where it gets so ridiculous. You need to have like good control on your mental, you know? Don't just chase. Have a critical, be able to play devil's advocate. That's what I'm trying to foster here. That's why I do live streams 2 times a week. We could stay connected. I'm at least going to see the cycle through, you know? So, hey, that one eye thing is strange. So many celebrities photo doing that. It's like they're showing allegiance to something sinister. This? Jay-Z? The Rock? Chicks with their bangs over their one eye? Yeah, man. It's a cult shit. You guys don't think that's real? I mean, just look around, man. It's on your dollar bill. It's right on the pyramid of your $1 bill. You don't think that's weird? I don't know. Anyway, enough tin hat shit. Dan, since users care about instant free transactions, elbow cough. You feeling sick, man? You got the thing? You got the thing? You got the thing? Get better soon. Yo, Dub, Zookeeper got through the BitTrue voting. It's gonna get listed. Fire! Hey, when my wasp gonna get listed, man? God damn it. But I'm happy for you guys, Zookeeper, for sure. Yeah, I hope it goes through. That's gonna bring a lot of awareness to Wan. Wan's just a powder keg. No one knows about it. The whole goddamn Wanchain ecosystem just building out. No one knows about it. But the thing is this, and the thing that a lot of people in Wanchain ecosystem, like the Wanchain community themselves, forget about, is that in like Wanchain's tweets, they said, "Hey, yo, FYI, we got a partnership with the State Grid of China, which is like the second or the first biggest utility in the entire world, employing like over 1 million people." They said, "Hey, yeah, we're letting you know this Q1 of this year, but we're probably not going to divulge any more information about it until Q4. Well, we're approaching Q4. And they got BitBoy signed on to spread that good word because I ain't big enough. I don't take it personal. But like interoperable. Everyone's over there freaking rubbing elbows and kissing babies with Cosmos. I like Cosmos too, but you know what I'm saying? Interoperable. They got a functioning DEX. They got a partnership with one of the largest utilities in the world. What the hell am I missing? Zookeeper gets snuck up in there. That does well. They might sneak more Wanchain coins up in there. And the liquidity starts leaking in there. What's a Wanchain? Look, if the Wanchain ecosystem blows up, game over. You have any thoughts on Omi? Yeah, homie. Let's see. Yeah, I like the live streams a lot. They're easy to do. The videos are hard, man. Like a lot of research, a lot of editing, a lot of sweating. Like I like the live streams a lot. They're repeatable. Economy. Let's see it. Less than 3 cents. I mean, less than a cent, to be honest. Yeah, this shit went crazy, man. I remember people were buying this shit all up in here. They got wrecked. Hey, if you missed it in March, guess what? It's right around where it was like in March. Without all this filth. The asymmetric risk is back in your favor. This is not asymmetric risk because you can lose more than you gain. This is more asymmetric risk, which means you can make more than you lose. I like it. Fundamentally speaking, I know I forgot, to be honest. Let me remind myself. Yeah, I got it. VV is an app-based marketplace for premium licensed digital collectibles. With VV, users can obtain common, rare, or one-of-a-kind digital collectibles, customize and showcase them in virtual showrooms, as well as buy, sell, or trade collectibles with other VV users from the palm of their hand. Yeah, so it's like, what, NFT marketplace, right? This company, Singapore project. Yeah, I like it. NFT-based. Sounds cool. Do you have to buy the collectibles with Omi? Because if so, then there is like the use case for the token. What does it say? Economy offers one-stop shop for digital collectibles. The app brings pop culture and entertainment to the 21st century. Digital streaming, gaming, in-app purchasing has become a multi-billion-dollar. Okay. It's a Pokeball. Oh, shit. Yo, they got Pokemon in here? Y'all know I like that Pokemon. Damn. I got some Pokemon cards. Hollow. 20-year-old ass Pokemon cards. I got that shit. I was like, hey, mom, dad, I'm going to be rich. And they're like, yeah, whatever, dog. And I was like, watch. The first HODL. Any like platform that gets Pokemon is going to freaking blow up. I think I heard Data got it, the IP for it. But I also heard Ikami has a guy who licensed like the franchise in America and made like change it from Pocket Monsters, which was the Japanese like labeling, to Pokemon. Made it huge in America. So I don't know what to believe. Any NFT platform that gets Pokemon is gonna freaking kill it. Instead of providing liquidity pairs, just staked. ICX on Ohm. Excited to see how that plans out. Supposedly, you get really great staking Ohm. I get on Balin for liquidity. 3 months ago, couldn't do this. Huh. Yeah, Ohm launched, which was like another participant of the airdrip program on Icon. So Icon's building out its what do you call it? Ecosystem? Yeah, it's ecosystem, and the projects that build an Icon can participate in something called an airdrip, where if you stake your Icon with a P-rep, which is like pretty much delegated stake on Icon, you can then go around to these different projects and be like, yo, I'm staking on Icon, I'm supporting Icon, securing Icon. You go, okay, here's a little bit of coins every single week. So that's cool. Ohm is the second one to do it. Balanced Network is the first DeFi protocol on it to on Icon to do it. That's cool, man. Elizabeth, what's up? Do you know any sources for how to actually mint NFT? I haven't actually done it. I know I have one friend who does it. I haven't learned how. I've watched your spores video, but looking for more details like minting NFTs for dummies will be great. I haven't done it myself. I've always wanted to. I just haven't got around to it. But I know it's possible. I don't know if there is a video. There actually is. I was trying to learn how to do like music videos. I just put in like how to make an NFT and shit. Things popped up. What are you trying to do? Like, I'm guessing art, right? Static art, like moving images and stuff. Depends, because basically there's two parts to it, like making the actual art, like the image, and then storing that image online, most likely in a decentralized like server area that can be like ultimately like, because it has to be loaded. The owner has of NFT, you have to host it online. They have to pay for it, or the creator has to pay for it. And then so like whenever they want to play it, it can stream and come through, especially if it's like video. But I don't have that right now. I don't have one on it. I'd have to find one. What kind of project partnership could bring 24 billion to blockchain? Digibyte. What they got in the works? I know what they got in the works. So you guys seen all that stuff at Atom ID, right? Turning houses into like be able to mine power and manage smart appliances and turn things on and off based on the solar power provided, and use it to mine with excess solar. You know what I'm saying? Mining. I'm not going to tell you what's up, but mining. DGB went Coinbase. DGB been saying that for like forever. They be getting mad as shit. Well, that's because Coinbase sent out this shit like in 2020. They're like, yeah, we're going to add all these coins. And they've added all these other coins like Bond and Farm. And like, I'm not hating those, but like they named Digibyte. They named Zen. They named all these other ones that have been around for a while and they haven't added them yet. Like, what's the criteria? What is the criteria? I don't even know. Dubdigital, good luck to you with all your crypto. Hey, I appreciate that, man. What's up, man? Thank you. What's the best trading platform? KuCoin isn't very user friendly. Well, KuCoin is for people who like know how to set limits and limit orders and stuff. If you're looking for like super user friendly, Coinbase. If you're looking for super user friendly, Gemini. Even Kraken starts to get a little confusing. Looks a little more confusing. What else do I use? You can use crypto.com. That's a way to get other coins, like buying and selling those coins, like just a mobile app. But some you can't take out, like Digibyte. I don't think you can withdraw Digibyte and some other ones. Bitrex, but also it starts to get a little more confusing. Binance US, if you're in the US, but it's not as nice. Like if you want super easy, like Coinbase and Gemini, that's super, super easy. I chase chicas, not excellence. You can have more crypto though if you chase excellence, man. Chicas be taking your crypto, man. They'd be like, hey, taking your crypto, running away, making you cry and shit. Everyone's too busy buying Cardano at $2.70 to buy WAN. Yeah. Well, you know, people want the thing high in the sky. Right? Oh, they want to buy Bitcoin when it's 100,000. They want to buy Ethereum when it's 4,000. They just want a guarantee. But I'm sorry, if you're into investing, you don't succeed when something's guaranteed. At the moment of least guarantee is when maximum possible reward could be had. And inversely, the moment of most guarantee is the least potential gain that could be had. It's an inverse correlation. I want to guarantee that I get rich. Sorry, no one's ever done that. It's always been a risk. 36 people, what's up? It's my dog barking. Check out Bitfrost, BFC. Got 30 people on here forever. I'm a Mason for sure. Mama, I made it. 50 cents. Okay. Litecoin shirt on. Oh shit. What's going on here, man? What's all this? What's all this about? 4 billion circulating supply, 844 million market cap, under $500 million. Blah 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 blah. Okay, good volume. Uniswap, Sushi Swap, Gate.io, BitThumb. Okay, so still like a DEX killer. Oh, I mean, it's been around since December. What the hell? What's going on here? Certec audit. Okay, so it's audited. That's interesting. That's good. Connecting all blockchains. Bitfrost is the world's first blockchain middleware that enables multi-chain technology. Never settle for just one protocol. Always get the best of every protocol. And there's a city. Partners, huh? I like partners. China, South Korea, America. Holy smokes. Our partners are experts in blockchain and technology. Our trusted advisors are from the leading blockchain technology organizations, including CoinPlug, Blockwater. Sounds like Blackwater. What's that? I don't know. BlackRock. Management. Block creators and Cased Engineering. Korea Investments. Quest Capital. Whale Blocks. Alpha Ventures. Master Ventures. This is Kyle Chasse. So he's all up in this. Neo, Tierra, Matic, Chainlink, Avalanche, Nulls. Cody, huh? Kronos, the speaker company? Contentos, that's a Japanese project. OpenSea, NFT. Tribe. Paid network. Okay, well, that's freaking Kyle Chasse's thing. They got rug pulled. They're back. They got rug pull come out the gate. Tomo Chain. Okay, that's Vietnam. Interesting. I mean, there's a lot of people building on it, which means that it's an interoperable kind of thing. So that just shows you what chains they probably will be spanning. What DEX do you like coming to Cardano? Shit, man, I don't know. What DEX? So many DEXs now. Do you like one? What do you like? I'm just a little ignorant on the subject. What do you like? I don't know. Craft is the easiest. Is that a DEX on Cardano? I'm guessing like switching between Cardano like coins. Why isn't HBAR $1 yet? Did you think it? I'm guessing you think it should be. We looked at the chart. It went from 4 cents to 41 cents. It's pretty freaking good, if you ask me. When did you get in? Sundae Swap. Huh. Gotta check it out. I don't know much about it. Sundae Swap. Condensed ISO. They hand me the basketball. I said ISO. Get out. Pump fake. Tap step pump fake. Triple threat. Ooh, you don't know about that, huh? Let's see. Oh, they're so cute. Look at them. Oh, Sundae Swap, a native scalable decentralized exchange on Cardano blockchain. Ownerless marketplace for efficient cryptocurrency transactions. That's cool. Initial stake pools offering ISO. An innovative approach towards fundraising DeFi projects using tools found natively on Cardano's blockchain. Engage the community. Cardano empowering. Profoundly trust-oriented. Interesting. I have to check it out. Okay. It's getting hot in here. Let me take a drink. Good. Okay, 27 people. It's good. What inspired you to get into crypto? I needed to make a lot of more money. I was like, oh, fuck, I can't do this for 30 years. Oh, God. How am I going to make? And then, like, I just kind of like, I knew, like, the basics of, like, investing, right? Like, master addition, subtraction. I had a job during college, all throughout college, pretty much. I didn't buy anything. I just saved my money. That, like, helped me move out because I had, like, a nest egg. Moved out, started working full time. Wasn't getting paid shit. Renting, like, one room. Not getting paid a lot. But I had, like, at least, like, a nest egg, right? And then, like, one day, like, an opportunity that I thought was worth it crossed my eyes. It was my friend. He said, hey, this Bitcoin thing, like, fell down from $1,000 to like $100. You want it? I was like, yeah, I want to get in on that shit. And he was like, I was like, what's up with it? And he just explained to me, like, what it was and all that. But then we got into, like, what Bitcoin was economically, like, a hard money. Like, it was not inflationary in nature. And I knew enough from my business background to understand, like, inflation. I understood, like, devaluing of currency and all that. And I was like, oh shit. So you're basically saying that, like, there's only 21 million and no more could ever be made? He's like, yeah. And I was like, so as time goes on and demand goes up, there's never going to be more to be made? He's like, yeah. I was like, what happens when all the 21 million are out? He's like, then they just like get cut in half and then cut in quarters and then cut in eighths. And I was like, how much can it get cut? And he was like, pretty much 1 million parts each coin. I was like, damn. So, like, if demand keeps rising, if it is a superior form of money, then essentially one could be a limitless amount of money. He was like, yeah. And I was like, okay, that's what I want. And then I just kind of fell in love with crypto. I held that shit for 3 years. Didn't even look at it, right? It was like a CD. It was like, if you guys don't know, we didn't have hard wallets. We didn't have none of this. We didn't have any like hot wallets. We just had like Bitcoin Core wallets on a CD, right? Like encrypted. And every time you want to load your wallet, it took 2 days or 3 days or whatever, or a week if you really haven't been on there for a long time, to load the whole entire blockchain, taking up a whole bunch of your computer space. But essentially speaking, I needed to make more money. Because I just did the math. Like, I did the math and I was like, I'm not going to get here. Like, I'm a big proponent of planning backwards, right? I said, okay, how much money am I going to need to retire? Just based on, like, today's dollars, not even accounting for, like, future inflation that's kind of hard to pin down. And I did the math and I said, I'm going to be like 102. I like to work out, but I don't think I'm going to be 102. So just putting that together, I said, I got to make some more aggressive investments, and then, like, I just waited for the right opportunity. It just happened to come through my desk from someone I trusted. And then I've been in love with it ever since, especially after 2017. That shit was fun as hell, man. 2017 was tight. Like, people yelling BitConnect. You guys don't know about that? Look up BitConnect. Look up the commercials on YouTube of the commercials that are running for BitConnect. Everyone was loving crypto. It was like just the funnest shit. Like, this bull run's a little more serious for some reason. I'm not quite sure why, but 2017, it was a blast. Just like, it was the bomb. And ever since then, I've just kind of fell in love with crypto. It's fun, right? And you make money off this shit. Like, you guys are building a skill set and a knowledge base that most people in the not the United States, the whole world don't have. Most people in the world don't know about crypto. You might think they do because you talk to people who own crypto. But if you continue to grow your knowledge base, you continue to grow your skills, you continue to do this and that, you can grow with the industry too. We haven't even penetrated at all the population. You can watch the train go by, or you could jump on that shit because the train's made of gold. 28 people, it's good. They launched in October after smart contracts and have 100,000 followers on Twitter. Great partners. Sundae Swap. Cool, cool. October. Nice. 29 people. Well, hey, guys, it's been fun. It's about 1 hour 45 minutes in. This is Crypto Kickback. I do this every Wednesday, 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. I also do a second stream on Sundays at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time called Crypto and Coffee. We do the similar thing. We just get up on here, shoot the shit, look at some macro charts, go wherever this takes us. But yeah, I think this is like an interesting kind of thing to do. Keeps us engaged, keeps us informed, keeps us on our toes, and keep us clicked up with people who are following chains that we don't. Because there's opportunity everywhere. Just got to have your eyes open to see it. But until next time, guys, it's Dubdigital. Talk to you later.